hello. And we are on. How's everybody? So, tonight we are live streaming 0 to 100, live from XYZ Creative Center. I'm here with Marco GBRT. Let me activate your
hello,
mic.
Guys. Hello.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
How are you?
Thank you. I'm good. You, Andrea? All good, yeah?
I'm fine. I'm still recovering from the rave party we had last weekend, and it was actually. Wait, I have Siri asking me for something. I'm still recovering from the live set we had last weekend for the TLC rave. We're gonna talk about that later on. But as tradition goes, 0 to 100 is a show that starts from mellow vibes and then, builds up to peak hour bangers. And is a moment we take once a month to share new records that landed at our XYZ Creative Center. And so we unbox some new records, we bring some new records, or also old records that could fit the format, and we're happy to share it to inject some music culture for all of you out there that are joining the stream remotely from wherever you are. So the first record we are going to share tonight, actually the first one that we shared, let me get it. This one that you were listening to is Shouts. Actually, this is an anniversary edition of Bradley Zero label, and it was released for the 5 years of Rhythm Selection, and is a fantastic label based in Peckham in the UK. And if you can get some copies of this, grab it. Is a lovely record, incredibly versatile, by the way. There are like tracks you can play as opening, and it's always in my bag. Huh? Yeah. Okay, so the first record we're gonna play tonight is actually yours. So what did you bring us?
Yeah, it's a very special vinyls for me because it's probably one of the first I bought, probably 6 or 7 years ago. And it's so special because it's connecting me to so many different records, and I think that's quite very hot, like juicy vinyl, because it's a connection between folkloristic vibes at the same time a new futuristic like contemporary sheen. And the good stuff is because this vinyl is made and recorded by Fabrizio De André,
Yeah.
and the album, in my opinion, is the favorite, and is Croza de Mar, and is
Okay.
a connection between the Genovese language and to create a new kind of language.
So Genovese is from Genova
Yes,
in Liguria. For those of you who come from outside Italy, Genova is in Liguria,
exactly, yeah. In the
which
coast,
basically
yeah.
is a region located in the western side of Italy on the coast. Incredibly active music scene over there, by the way.
Yeah, so much. We are the transatlantic something. Yeah, we have so many researchers
Yeah.
that find so good vinyls, old vinyls. So, yeah, I will start with Sidun. That I think is very, very good. Yeah, I think that's the only thing we have to do is to enjoy this.
Okay.
record, Yeah.
So press play and let's
Yeah.
enjoy this together.
דנים בכך בוושינגטון, דנים. שמעתי שערפאת,
In our talks this morning, I made a point of reiterating deep admiration
ואני אמשיך
Americans feel for the constructive and courageous role Italy is increasingly playing on the world stage.
quer fer graça eu sou da me tu mudou se beninho de temoin spremi tamacaia deste eu agrimo de sangue e denti da Eie di surdati che in aragè Quasci ma buca cacciuai de bè Ascuria gente come serragina Finco sangue servegono che smorto a que Dopo feringu e feri da prigione Te feria semenza velenosa da deportazione Perché del nostro da cianione non ci crescono gli arboli, spiccami figli. Ciao menino, l'eredità, le scuse. Testa si te, capriccio, in tassi anche chi. E in sto gran cielo da fuoco, beata morte piccina.
You know what the funny thing is? Is like when I was listening to this record, like at first I couldn't understand what he was saying, because like when I think of Fabrizio De André, I think, okay, like, well, you know, he's gonna sing in Italian, right? But actually, as soon as you show me the cover, there is a translation inside the record. So what was he singing? Like, is this local dialect or?
Yeah, it's a combination between local dialect about Genova and like a new language.
Okay.
So like it's a decontextualization of a context and to create a new one. And so yeah, it's like a genius, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Like I it's the first time I I see this album, but you definitely grabbed my attention.
Yeah, thanks, man.
And I'm sure the one of many other listeners that are enjoying the show.
Yeah.
And I was about to dig in my bag, but then you definitely sparked my curiosity. So I said, if you have something else, and you do. So what's up next?
Is album for Sade,
Okay.
and the track is called Paradise,
Okay.
and I think is only to listen this beautiful vine is about Sade.
All right. Let's enjoy it. Nice vibe, nice vibes. Actually, Sade was one of the first artists I started really to fall in love with back in the 90s. I still remember I had this CD. I wasn't even able to find the album, the vinyl album. Then I digged and I found it. But the voice, the soulful drive. It's like something unique. And where did you find this record?
I found my countryside home
Okay.
in Refrontolo, where usually we made the rave party. Yeah.
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 Refrontolo is a let's say small town on the beautiful hills surrounding Conegliano in Venice region, and that's usually a nice location where we love to have our raves
Exactly,
and
yeah.
techno parties
Yeah.
at because there's plenty of space, beautiful vineyards. And usually
The
nobody
neighbors,
complains about
yeah,
noise,
Exactly. Yeah. Usually. Yeah.
except sometimes.
Exactly.
Thank you for sharing that. It was like a nice dive back in the past. Beautiful.
Back in the past, exactly.
Yeah. So now I thought tonight to share like a record is an Italian record.
Wow.
Yeah, this is a production by Gian Maria Coccoluto, and I really love it because I can't get it out of my bag. I can't get it out of my bag. It was released on Dublac. I hope I pronounced that well. And it is the 001 release. There you go. And it's a beautiful record. I like I like all the versions, but there is a I think it's the B side. Let me check. Yeah, is the B2. The B2. I used it to in some warm up sets. It's like a mellow version, but it's kind of original, at least in my opinion. And I keep playing it, man. And every time I put the record, everybody comes and say, "What record is this?" And so I just hand over the cover. There you go.
Yeah.
Screenshot it. Shazam. I don't even know if it's digital, but because I mainly play vinyl. But yeah, so this is the one. Enjoy it, and let us know what you think about it. We have a live chat on YouTube, so you can feel free to interact. And if you want to call us live during the show, let us know with a private message over on Instagram at Mode0Official, and we'll give you the number to call in so you can join the show live. What? Yeah, actually, that's a very good idea. Yeah. I mean, there is like plenty of friends that I'm sure are happy to call, but Stefano would be
Music research. Yeah.
Stefano would be a good one. For now, we just enjoy the record. And we start to build up energy a little bit and moving from 0 to 100.
Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave?
my head.
Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave? Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave?
Pluck the feather from the devil's hat, and I pluck the feathers from his cap. Don't you tell me this, and don't you tell me that. Go with here and bring me my big black hat. Then bring me women that are skinny, and bring me women that are fat. Get me blood for a face. If you don't get me blood, I'll drink yours first. See this cane? Come here. Look at my cane. See his head. These are the markings of the dead. Souls have long been gone, and you have nothing to trade tonight. I'll pluck the life from you tonight. Give me music. 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 Give me music.
Why do you call me from my grave? Why did you call me from my grave?
Give me music.
Why did you call me from my grave?
Give me music.
Why did you call me from my grave? 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 Why did you call me from my grave?
People die.
We wanted to leave it all the way to the end, because I mean, it's such a nice groove, and I actually like the vocals on top of it, right? Let me mic
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Let me activate your mic. Let me activate your line.
absolutely,
Yeah. So yeah, definitely if you want to grab or add, let's say, a nice ingredient to your record bag, this is definitely a good place to start from. Follow Gianmaria Coccoluto on Instagram. Plenty of insightful information every time he share productions and projects. So you guys stay tuned.
Yeah.
You teased me with this.
Yeah.
You
It
teased
is,
me with it. What is on that turntable?
Quite an old production.
When was it? How old is
It's
it?
the late 70s, started the first of 80s,
Okay.
and made in Naples.
Okay.
And the producer is Nico Mecca.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, it's quite interesting, like the first electronic music about Naples, stuff like that. So enjoy these beautiful vinyls.
Play. So psychedelic, right?
Absolutely.
You know, sometimes I like to drop records like that in the middle of a set, like just as a juxtaposition thing.
To create like a new wave.
Yeah, you know, as a reset kind of.
Yeah, you can reset. Yeah, you can start from the beginning.
Or
yeah.
you know, you take the audience somewhere in this.
Just like the last rave, like the Jean-Luc Ponty, to create a new kind of texture, and you can restart the DJ set another time.
Most definitely. And you know, this kind of I don't know, ring some bell. And I got this record from my bag. I said, well, it may be time to share it. This is another record that I added to the mix, and I think I played this with you as well on the back-to-back when we played last month. And is a record that I ordered on the Gustibus, Gustibus Records, from the Gustibus Records. And since Mr. G. Jansson dropped this tune in 2018, well, this actually was recently pressed for the very first time on vinyl. And I don't want to spoil it, but there are these two beautiful versions of Boris Douglas. I'm going to show you the printed side, because it's actually pretty cool. And it's been sitting in my bag ever since I got it. I guess I played both versions, but if you're still able to grab a copy, please do, because it's a fantastic tune. It's a magic weapon for peak hour disco sets, I would say, or disco oriented. But hey, you can really get creative with this. We still have one or two extra copies here, by the way.
Oh,
wow. If you haven't had one and you want to grab one, go for it. Yeah, I found out about it like checking my Instagram feed, and I saw this post from Spiller popping up, and I said, "Oh man, yeah, I love that track. Never managed to grab a copy on vinyl, and as I play mainly vinyl, you know, as soon as I got it, I said, yep, order as many as we can, because I know you guys always like to get a copy. So yeah, enjoy. All right, all right, all right. I actually can't get tired of listening to this record. Okay, so have you ever played this? Have you ever
Yeah, but in the digital version.
digital version?
Yeah.
Well, guess what? Now you have it on vinyl as
Yeah,
well.
exactly. Yeah.
Okay, so now let's test this for the first time on XYZ, and let's see if we have online Mr. Daniele De Marchi. Daniele, are you there?
Yeah. Yes, I am.
Oh, hello, hello.
Hello, man.
guys?
Hello.
How's it going?
So good, but it's well, it's so funny. Rainy days, but the music is always there.
Yeah, the music warms up things, right?
Yeah.
Which one
What
was
are you playing?
was that?
What are you playing on the rack on the turntable?
Well, we have another magic weapon of Marco GBRT
Oh,
now.
okay. Yeah,
Of
let's
course,
do
we
that.
don't want to spoil it.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
But thank you for calling in. How are you doing over there?
I'm tired tonight, but I'm listening to your session, and I really appreciate the selection.
Okay, good. Well, we're happy to hear that.
Thanks, man.
Also, because we're going to be playing together
Yeah.
on the 18th of May, not far from Conegliano, right? In Colalbrigo, which is like an
5
unexpected...
kilometers, yeah.
Yeah, it's an unexpected venue, as normally people would expect to have, let's say, a music experience, maybe in a club or a traditional venue, and we are taking music in the middle of the vineyard, surrounded by, nature, and we are gonna have a special night with a cena col DJ, dinner with the DJ, which is a new format that we launched with Origin, the sound of vinyl, right, Daniele?
Yeah. Yes, a project that was born in 2017,
Okay.
and we made this with another our friend Thomas.
Yeah, grande Tommy. Big hug
Yeah.
to Tommy.
Yeah. Tommy Wolf,
Yes.
as
Magic.
known in the zone of Conegliano, Tommy Wolf.
Well, actually, he is the legendary promoter in the Northeast. He is the one that launched The Room, right?
Yeah. The room in Gaiarine, yes.
Yeah. So like incredible lineups of guests. He was able to bring over here.
Yes.
Okay. So how about Marco? What are you planning to play now?
Yeah, he's from Detroit. It is Moody Man, Desire.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh my God! Wait, let's not smash the
Legend.
entire console.
Yeah.
Like, yes, yeah, Kenny Dixon
Exactly, Junior, yeah.
Jr. always present, and
Yeah,
he's one of your favorite artists, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Like,
yeah.
before you played the record, is it true that you were planning to dress up as Moody Man?
Yeah,
This
in
carnival.
the carnival, yeah. But it was in Netherlands, so I
Okay.
figure out to probably because I want to buy the T-shirt with the Kenny Dixon Jr. in the T-shirt, and I go to the website. And I say, shit, we had so many vinyls on sale. I had to buy all these, man. And so here we go.
Here we go. So let's not wait for this and press play. Let's enjoy this record together. Thank you, Daniela, for calling in. Stay online. Maybe we're gonna jump back on this conversation later on. Cheers.
She appeared in the distance. She entered my life, my heart. She appeared in the distance like a prayer I had uttered once. Remember, I had uttered. Remember, yeah. Remember, yeah. Remember, yeah. Remember, I had uttered. Remember, yeah. Remember, yeah. Remember, yeah. I awoke from a nightmare. Yeah. The only survivor left who felt love. Remember, yeah. Planet spinning madly, and I the only one to see it fall. Through time, yeah. Time to heal all wounds but mine. Yeah. No one but myself. Remember, yeah. Remember, yeah. Remember, no one but myself. Yeah. She entered my life, my heart. She entered my life, my heart. She appeared in the distance like a prayer I had uttered once. Remember, I had uttered. Remember, yeah. Remember, yeah. Remember, yeah. Remember, I had uttered. Remember, yeah. Remember, yeah. Remember, yeah. Remember, I had uttered. Remember, yeah. Remember, yeah. Remember, yeah. Remember, I had uttered. Remember, yeah. Remember, yeah. Remember, yeah.
It's always magical, right? It's always magical. Like whenever I listen to records made by Moody Man or Kenny Dixon, really, it takes you somewhere else, huh?
Yeah.
It takes you somewhere else.
Yeah.
When I saw him live
Yeah,
at
you
Printworks
told me,
in London, and there's a nice story about that. But maybe I'll share this for we'll
Another
save this
one,
for another time. What I want to share now is another record that is fantastic, and is another record that is not going to leave my record bag anytime soon, and is a record by Donato Dozzi, who's, by the way, one of my favorite Italian producers, and this one was released on Treasure label, and I'm not going to spoil it. I'm just gonna let you enjoy it, and feel free to share your thoughts in the chat, and let us know what you think about it. So now you were supposed to play another record before, right? and then you say, no, man, I'm gonna put. I could put. You give me an access to put this one.
Yeah.
Huh? So it's a funny story because you played this record at the last rave party that we had last weekend, and I remember, oh man, this record sounds familiar. And as soon as I heard it, I said, it's way too familiar. And when it reached like halfway in, I said, yes, this is from the 90s, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, and where did you get this record from?
I bought online. In the store was called Sleeve Records, and I usually went there for about some funky stuff at the beginning.
Okay.
Because it's like my pusher of vinyl, Sleeve Record. Because last year I was living in Florence, so basically I went there and bought so many vinyls as I can, and that's last 2 months ago, probably 3 months ago, I was in Netherlands, in Eindhoven, and I said, no, I have to buy some vinyls for my archive. And I went to Discogs online and I searched Sleeve Records, and I found only about the 90s, about the progressive house trance music, and I bought probably 20 vinyls, and one of them is this one.
This one.
Yeah.
And as soon as you got, I was looking at this section of the archive here, and we have some jams from the 90s.
Yeah.
And I don't have that one because it would have been fun, but I remember when I bought that record, the same day.
Yeah.
I bought this record. I bought this record together with that, and I remember they had like clear
the
covers.
Same color. Yeah, this is yellow one. Yeah.
This is like so old. This is a hard one as well.
Okay.
Well,
you can put the next one. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, let me bring in Daniele. Daniele, are you there?
Yes, here I am.
Excellent. So I know you were like a resident DJ of one of the top clubs, techno clubs in Northeast Italy, right?
Yes, they call in this manner. Yes.
Yeah. So for those of you who never heard of Daniele Del Marchi, he was a resident DJ of Miro.
Yes.
Was
the arena room.
The arena room. Just the name, is a preview. Like just that gives you like a heads up on what was the situation. And you played like crazy techno nights. I remember I was there once. Actually, I never told you that, but I was there once, and I didn't know. I didn't know you at the time. I didn't know you at the time, but I remember I had a hell of a good night. So now, since you don't know what we were about to play, we're gonna play. Marco is gonna play the record, and then you tell us if it sounds any familiar. And if we get a yes from the chat and a yes from Daniele, we might play this one. Let me put it close to the camera. Daniele, do you remember this record?
Let me listen.
No, this one that I'm showing on camera now.
It was Bubbles.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, but I don't play it at Miro.
Okay.
I play it at Manhattan or Sunday afternoons because it sounds more familiar to young dance floor.
Okay. So let's do like that. We're gonna keep it eventually for another night. If you guys want to listen to these records that we have in the
90s,
from the 90s, drop us a message in the chat or reach out over at Instagram at Mood0 Official, and we're maybe going to have an episode on 90s tunes. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Bring it on, Marco.
Yeah, we go.
Enjoy, everyone, and you, Daniele, as well. Let us know if you have this record, by the way.
It's so nice to enjoy it.
Nice, 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 nice. Super acid sounds, right? Okay, so we are at the end. We reached the end of tonight's show. You had a good time, Marco?
Yeah, as always. Yeah.
Daniele, you're still with us, right?
No.
Okay, yeah. Thank you for joining us. And to those of you who are interested, I'm just going to share a couple of dates for the upcoming gigs that we're going to have live on YouTube and in real life. So the first one is going to be on the 18th of May in Colabrigo, Italy. That's going to be a beautiful evening where we are actually recontextualizing the experience of DJing and eating. And it's a fantastic series of events that we actually ran from October to April, sold out the entire season.
Yeah.
And so we are launching it now for the summer. And if you happen to be Venice region and near Conegliano, get in touch. We're definitely gonna we're gonna be happy to see you in real life. And online, we're gonna have tomorrow evening. We're gonna have if you wanna get a taste and you wanna understand what you're about to experience on the 18th, we're gonna have a back-to-back set by Mod Zero and GBRT.
Oh well.
Live at 8 p.m. on Mod Zero channel, and then we're gonna have on the 10th of May back-to-back set with Daniele De Marchi, who's live now, and Mod Zero.
Yes.
And on the 13th of May, there's gonna be a special night with a guest for the XYZ guest series. We're gonna have Bunny, Mr. Bunny, Mr. Stephen Bunn, a legendary DJ of the Ministry of Sound, who is on fire, launching a new series of production with the Bundy Brad Quintet label, and
Fantastic.
he's going to release like an original set. I don't want to spoil it, but stay tuned on that. On the 17th, back-to-back set, Mod Zero GBRT, and on the 27th, of the month, for the closing night of the month, we're gonna have for our XYZ guest series Lorenzo Francavilla, Low FR, with a live electronic set.
Yeah.
With a live electronic set,
Fantastic set,
it's
yeah,
going to
man.
be launched with also like a video interview.
Yeah,
so
yeah. He was there.
Yeah,
He was there. Yeah.
you actually met him.
Yeah.
I would take this as an opportunity also to thank all the friends in Belluno,
Yeah.
Italy. Belluno Techno Heaven.
Yeah.
Ragazzi, in Belluno siete fortissimi. Abbiamo fatto una serata incredibile. Let me switch over to Italian for a second because it's worth it. We had to say thank you for all the music fans in Belluno. 2 weeks ago, we had a great rave party, techno night, violin only, all night long. The room was packed.
Yeah.
You were there as
Yeah,
well,
yeah, I was
right?
there, yeah.
How you enjoyed it?
Yeah, absolutely. Very, very safe place.
Very safe place. Very
I think,
safe
yeah.
place. Yeah, and well organized as well.
Yeah. As
So,
well, yeah.
Thank you for inviting us there. Stay tuned. End of the month. Low FR live on Mod Zero official YouTube channel. You want to turn that and see what's on the other side, and we're gonna say goodnight to everyone.
Okay.
Is that scary? I don't
No,
remember.
no.
I haven't played this record like in 20 years or something. But I remember it was one of my favorites. On that note, everyone, thank you for joining us tonight. It is always nice to catch up and stay tuned. If there's any questions or you want to get in touch with us, use the YouTube chat or over on Instagram, Mod Zero Official. Thank you for tuning in. Daniele, thank you for joining us.
It's been a pleasure, as always.
Okay, maybe one day we're gonna get you. We're gonna be able to have you here live as a guest.
Yeah.
Maybe next time, of course.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Daniele.
tutti,
Thank you,
ragazzi.
Marco.
Thank you so much at all.
Everybody, have a lovely evening. Bye bye.
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 I
I am excited about the house of all we love our own houses. For the beautification of the house of God's house. The house of